Yikes. I should wear this constant.
Yeah.
I'm like so turned on.
You have two noses.
Alright, let's go.
Dude. Are you excited for your first YFC conference?
Yeah, I don't know what to expect. Like, oh my gosh, Price Unlimited, what a great theme. Oh my god. Gabriel, how about you? I appreciate it. I respect that. Are you good? Choke on the piece. Day 12. Megan. You got a fork though, right?
How are you going to eat it? You're using a medium.
What the frick happened? What happened?
You guys didn't really think that through.
They hit their heads?
Yeah.
You still got it wrong.
Shane's eating the cup.
What the hell? You're gonna turn into a tomato. Hey, if tomatoes are fruit, is ketchup a smoothie? This is one piece of gum. Bro. Or not. Justin. You have to eat it. No, can you stop? No. You can't grab it. No, you can't grab it.
What are you doing? Why did you put it here?
It's so dumb.
Man, you know how like
You can't do it.
Because I like
You're just eating it now.
the paper.
I'm Squeak Kenny. Cause if you try, we will fall together from building bridge. For loving I can't want you done. You done. Cause I would die for you. On Skyway Avenue. Until you come outside.
Dude, where's the charger?
Oh yeah. What was that song about on Search up Sadie Hawkins band. Oh yeah. And like khaki pants, nothing better. Oh.
Are you boxing?
You know how they're white? Huh? You know how they're... You said you're smooth. You're good with talking.
Good with talking.
Go with me.
Go with me.
To the Sadie Hawkins. Sadie Hawkins dance. Everybody gotta get this. Nothing better.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
I'm not gonna write you a love song.
Cause you asked for it. Ow!
No, it's
I'm gonna write you a love song.
Gerald.
I was already featured.
Do you think 20 years from now your kids will be all like, wow, daddy's so skinny? Or do you think they'll be all like, daddy's so fat?
Daddy. They're gonna call me Daddy.
Yeah. So do you think Cruden will be saying that?
You disgust me.
Yo, they're posing. You think you're a model? They're models. Too much, Gerald. Zip it back up.